The most helpful book ever published will teach everyone how nature creates people's personalities, including the lack of socialization tendency associated with personality. What is the meaning of lack of socialization tendency? Well, unfortunately, and sadly to say, this is the natural occurring tendency observed by 25% of people's personalities from one of the four groups of personality that repeats and is profoundly noticed in personality. It is a permanent, natural occurring, lack of socialization tendency that shows up causing hardship in life. While lack of socialization tendency can only be observed, it will never vanish. You see, nature is known to be associated with lack of socialization tendency in many walks of life, and not only in personality but in other areas of life. For example, in aquatic ecosystems, the moray eel tends to have a solitary lifestyle, isolating themselves in small holes in the reef, or the blue whale that prefers a solitary life, or asteroids in outer space isolated as small rocky islands found in belts orbiting the sun, or in the insect world the carpenter bee that lives in solitary environments without forming colonies, having the lack of socialization occurring in some way by nature, or any natural occurrence that needs certain lack of socialization trends to exist by nature, or any lack of socialization trend in life imaginable. Yes, this occurs even in personalities. These observed lack of socialization trends, which anyone can observe for himself or herself, occur most often enough to consider them reliable trends. The most helpful book ever published will identify it for you, and this lack of socialization trend you will read about will give you the advantage of understanding the lack of socialization trend patterns of people. When you learn about this lack of socialization trend, you will be able to predict how a person is most likely to function in their life. So what is this lack of socialization trend? For example, in one group of people with similar birth date ranges, it was consistently found that they all had a lack of socialization trend in life all the time that causes difficulty in social environments, blocking their natural tendency to enjoy groups of people in social areas such as dance halls or community gatherings. This resulted in problems achieving their goals with social relationships. It wasn't until they received outside assistance that their life improved. Rather than attempting to live with this natural lack of socialization trend, they improved their life by reaching out for sources of assistance, doing whatever it took, such as a hired professional, a book, a video, a tape, software, or anything that would help them to deal with this tendency. The difficult part was recognizing the fact that they had this lack of socialization trend. You see, once you are aware of the lack of socialization trend patterns which may exist in people, especially about the lack of socialization trends you may have yourself, you can counteract them and help others to counteract them, giving you the advantage of perfecting your life. Remember this, there is one observation that was found for sure: no matter whom you are, everyone must realize that the natural occurring lack of socialization is observed by 25% of people's personalities from one of the four groups of personality that repeats and is profoundly noticed in personality. This is a reality in life that nobody can escape. The most helpful book ever published will help everyone to recognize the lack of socialization tendency patterns lingering among people's personalities. This will result in a better understanding of why people have difficulty with life, especially yourself. So why do some people have a lack of socialization? It would be best if they did not. However, if you observe everyone more closely, even through the generations, you will notice a recurring lack of socialization patterns trends similar to everyone belonging to a certain birth date range which never goes away. A lack of socialization patterns trends which can cause serious obstructions in life. So how can this great work of literature help everyone to learn more about people's personalities? The core or body of this exciting material contains 8 chapters which describe and uncover the unique ways of how nature shapes us in a special way that improves your comprehension of understanding personalities to the point that you really can read people like a book, and in a way like never before. This means you will understand why people act and behave the way they do with their unique habits, all shaped by nature. You will learn about nature's personality factory that creates personality similar to how an auto factory creates cars. 10 years went into writing this informative material. The official copyright was established and recorded in the United States in the year 2022. This is a very rare original work that can't be found anywhere else. The most helpful book ever published sets an example with the goal and desire to present a great work of quality material in a newly discovered science from the publishing industry to help others gain better health, wealth, and knowledge for a terrific future. This is a rare work that can't be found anywhere else. If you have a hobby or are a professional book collector or are thinking about starting a book collection, you can add value to your collection by collecting this first signature edition offered here. You don't have to read the whole book ever because you will only be reading the sections which pertain to you, as this will be explained with very easy comprehension to see that you won't be reading with much labor at all with mostly short readings. You only read what you need. This rare work of literature was written with the following strict guidelines which were more difficult than any doctor program at any university. First, it must be a new scientific discovery that no mind has ever touched. Second, it must be non-fiction. Third, it must receive an official registration of copyright by the United States government. This book is certainly very informative, and you will learn fascinating concepts to understand people better. This means no more struggling in your life trying to guess what you are good at, who your best companion is, or what career you're cut out for. The entire book is designed for easy comprehension and is very simple. In fact, you won't be reading this material with much labor at all with mostly short readings. Add the most helpful book ever published to your collection now. The entire book is designed for easy comprehension and is very simple. In fact, you won't be reading this material with much labor at all with mostly short readings. Add the most helpful book ever published to your collection now. P.S. Thomas W. Anti searches on Google and Yahoo quickly finds you, the most helpful book ever published.